Are you having buffering issues while playing a content or watching a channel on Roku? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Restart the Roku device. A fresh restart can often fix minor bugs and glitches and fix the buffering issue. So, restart your Roku device. To do that, go to Roku settings, then select System. Then Power, select System Restart. Wait till your system restarts and then check if the issue is fixed. Method 2. Restart the router and the modem. Next, you can power cycle the router or modem. To do that, unplug the modem or router from the power outlet. Wait at least for a couple of minutes. Then turn on the router or modem and check if this could fix the issue. Method 3. Check your internet connection. Go to Settings, then select Network and then check Connection. If you see a green check mark, you are connected to the router but the internet might be down. You can check the internet speed on your PC or phone by visiting speedtest.net. If the internet speed is slow, you can contact your service provider to fix the issue. Method 4. Reset connection. The next thing you can do is reset the connection. For this, go to Roku settings from the home screen. Then navigate to System. Next, select Advanced System Settings. Select Network Connection Reset. Then select Reset Connection. Wait till the process is complete and Roku restarts. Method 5. Update your Roku software. Make sure you are running the latest software version. Go to Settings, then go to System, then select Software Update. Check if there are any new updates available. If there are, follow the on-screen instructions to update the software. Method 6. Delete any unused channels on your Roku to free up resources. Restart your Roku first to ensure the process is successful. Go to the Roku home screen. Use the arrow buttons to find the channel you want to remove. Press the star key on your remote to open the channel options menu. Select Remove Channel and confirm the removal. Restart your Roku device to ensure the changes take effect. Method 7. Perform a factory reset. Try performing a factory reset on the Roku device to clear any cached data or settings that may be causing this issue. To do that, open Settings. Then navigate to System. Next, select Advanced System Settings. Select Factory Reset. Enter the number and follow as shown to finish the process. Wait for the device to restart. Method 8. Clear Roku cache and data. From the home screen, press the home button on the remote 5 times. Then press the up arrow button. Now press the rewind button twice and then press the fast forward button 2 times. Wait for Roku to restart. Temporary data called cache and cookies can get corrupted and take more space over time, so they cause unexpected issues. This process should clear the cache on Roku TV, and by doing that, you make sure you can prevent additional problems. Method 9. Check with your ISP. Check if your internet service provider is throttling or overloading the streaming bandwidth. You can test this by trying other streaming services. Ensure your Roku device is not placed too close to your TV or other wireless devices, as this can cause interference. Move it to a different location if needed. The key is to isolate whether the issue is with your home network, the Roku device itself, or your internet service provider. Method 10. Contact Roku support. If these methods did not resolve the issue, it may be an issue with the Roku servers or your service specific model. Check the Roku community for any known issues or outages. You can also go to the Roku support page at https://support.roku.com to check for any alerts or announcements about service issues. And there you have it, the way to fix the buffering issues on Roku. We hope one of the methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which method helped you to fix this issue. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.